Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to take screenshot without buttons in Samsung A16. If you are using Samsung A16 and now you want to take screenshot without using buttons in your device, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to scroll down in control center and here you will easily get screenshot icon, but if you won't get it here you can easily add it. Just select the pencil icon here, then select add it, and here just look for the screenshot button. Here's that. Just tap on it to add it on your control center. Just tap on done, then done again, and here it will add it on your control center. Now, whenever you want to take a screenshot, you must have to scroll down your control center, and here just tap on take screenshot to take a screenshot of your phone. Just tap on it. So in this way you can easily take a screenshot without using buttons in your Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.